I am going to take a new layer there. So let's take a new layer. So there we will take a shape. I will take it again, generate another shape. Let's create a structure. Have some shapes again. I will take an angle as well. Here is a new shape. We will try to make a different structure there. It's a structure, we will made it again there. Let's take a new shape. Paint over it.